Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. The shedding is a major problem you're gonna face when you wear a wig, and when you face the shedding problem, how to troubleshoot. And today's video I will share you how to troubleshoot regarding the shedding. So the shedding of the shedding problem major coming from three types, and either it's hair quality itself, or it's shedding from different part. And today's video I will share you with the example of this wig. And this is actually a closure wig, and you can see it's a closure wig. First we have to understand the construction of this closure wig, and this is a large cap closure wig. You can see a closure wig is made from the closure, this closure. And the back side is actually the sewing, the bundle weft sewing. So this is two major part. And when you have a shedding problem, and you have to firstly check, troubleshoot it like this. If you feel the shedding is because the hair is very dry, that you have to comb it very hard, and the hair become breaking, and actually it's most of the time it's a hair problem. You can firstly deep condition the hair, make sure it's getting refreshed and it's soft. It will be fine, it should be fine. But every time you condition it and it become dry very fast, and you cannot comb it well, so it's a hair quality itself. So you need to consider the hair quality is not good enough. But if the hair is not tangling like that, not dry, it's shedding, and you can troubleshoot like this. You need to finger comb the wig and check where the hair shedding from, you know. Take this wig for example, and if you like comb with your finger and you find the hair is actually always shedding from this part, you know, like the hair is shedding is from this part, so you will find, oh, it's actually shedding from the lace. So the lace part is actually as ventilated when human, you know, so it's a ventilation. So most of the time if this part is shedding, it is because the labor is not ventilation the hair very well. So you can see the hair knot is here. If the hair is not knotted very well, so the hair will getting loose, and it will just the knot will open and the hair will shedding. So when you face this kind of problem, there's no much you can do actually. So you need to comb it very gently, make sure, you know, do not comb it hard, so that you can use it as long time as possible. And if you comb through it and you find the hair is actually shedding from this part, for example, so that means the hair is shedding is actually from the bundle sewing. So if it happens, you just it's a new wig, it's newly installed, it's newly made a wig. So it's you need to you can wash it for 2 or 3 times. Most of the time the problem will be gone. Why it happens? Because, you know, when we do a wig install, we are making the bundle sewing with this bundle weft, right? And we have to open that, we have to cut it into pieces, and sometimes you have to cut it from the double weft to the single weft like this. So sometimes we cut it into pieces like this, and the end of the hair will be cutted. So when you make a wig like this, so the end of the hair, some hair is cutted. So when you wash, it will be gone like this. And after 2 or 3 washes, this kind of shedding problem should be gone. So there shouldn't be problem. You just need to wash it for 2 or 3 times, it will be fine. But if it continues like this, it could be the problem of the bundle sewing, the weft, machine weft. You know, the machine is not, weft is not doing so well. For example, this one, we make it we cut it from the double weft to the single weft, and this one is very good. You can see you will not face any shedding from here. But if we do not, but sometimes the technique is not so well, and the bundle will be, you know, it's not so well stitched, so sometimes the hair will be shedding from the small weft. If you find some part is like this, and you can actually use a needle and try to do the sewing and make it fasten secure and try to fix this problem. So we will, on all the part of technique, we're trying to improve so that there is no issue with the shedding. You know, for our hair, like I said, all our hair is, no matter it's Remy human hair or Wolverine human hair or raw hair, every hair quality is very good. It's 100% cuticle-aligned, so it's soft, so you won't face any like issue because of the quality, you know. So most of times, if you have fitting a problem, maybe it's because of the shedding from the ventilation or from the weft. It could happen, and you can try to troubleshoot and try to fix or tell us about that. And we are also trying to improve on all this part, so make sure every unit is 100% perfect, and then you will not face any problem of the shedding. This is what is our goal. We are trying to improve. So if you face any problem using our product, feel free to let us know so that we can improve. Today's video, I just shared you how to troubleshoot for the sheddings. It's a hair problem itself, or it's a sewing bundle weft not doing well, or it's this. So with these three type of the problem and how to fix that. And if you have more questions regarding this shedding, and feel free to contact us. And if you want to know more about wigs problem or any related topic, you can feel free to let us know, comment below, and we will try to do more videos and try to fix that and analyze for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.